It's too much blessings to be stressed. I buy them hoes and I ain't worried about my head. Nobody.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is Gvldenshakur, yeah, and I'm back with another video, but this is slightly different because this is going to be my self-care routine. So that will be getting my nails done, getting my hair done, which I'll show you guys, and just doing things that just me time. So I'm just having tea and it says you got this. Yeah, we're just gonna get into this, and first of all I'm just gonna actually wax some areas. And you guys don't know that I wear glasses. I just use this coconut cream. It is the most blackest cream you can ever get. And I've been wearing contacts for so long, I don't need a mirror. I'm not gonna moisturize my face. I want to like fix my eyebrows. Barely look like I have eyebrows. You get it? My best friend always uses this on her eyebrows, and I'm just like, let me just try it. So I'm gonna do it all here, and then yeah, we're just gonna see how this goes. Yeah, I look hella tired. Sorry if my background just doesn't look aesthetically pleasing. I'm actually getting ready to go and take pictures. I've plucked them, so they kind of are neat, but we are just going to just see how this goes. I want to try it here. See, I've got one piece of eyelash. I mean, I got my lashes done and they just didn't last. I couldn't even show you guys. Yikes, it's near my eyes. I've never done this before. I feel like my eyebrows have gotten thicker these couple months. Boy, I was meant to do this the night before. My person's going to cuss me out. I'm also going to dye my eyebrows dark. I mean, I just got a DM. Anyways, what's it called again? I want to dye my eyebrows. I just want my eyebrows to be visible because you guys can't see it anymore. We're just going to use this box. I literally just got any cheap hair dye. I mean, it's not the best. I shouldn't really be using hair dye. This is kind of stinging. Is this meant to sting? Oh, child. This is so good. I mean, it smells nice. Yeah. Hey. I woke up like an hour ago, so I'm a bit tired. It takes me a while for me to get up, you know. Like, see, I don't read instructions. I just look at the pictures. This is like really itchy. I just want to itch it. Oh my days. Okay, that's really crisp. I like that. Okay. Ooh, I see the hype. I see the hype. I feel like it just even plumps my lips. Bonus, I don't want to do no ombre effects because boy, it's fine. Oh, it stings. Cool. We're gonna time this. I'm gonna do this for 5 minutes and then we're gonna see how this looks. In the meantime, I'm just using this oil that I was sent for promo. It's called Just Glowing. I don't really put anything on my face like that. And my skin feels really smooth, I can't lie. So I'm trying to be more active on my Insta stories, and I've done like a poll, and like both of you are getting like the polls right. Made everything so smooth. This is a cheap version to get the lips to be plumped. Just so I recently just got my hair done, and I'm gonna insert a clip, and I got my hair into like a pink, dark pink ombre. So I'm gonna show you guys. because it was a T-pop parting is quite difficult. Didn't realize it would be difficult. Eyes, it's getting darker. And I just accidentally dyed my face. But shades, I'm scared. Okay, it stings a bit. Oh my god, it's gotten darker. Oh my god, you can see my eyebrows from afar. Yeah, that one went a bit messy. This one, I don't know what's going on here. I think it's the way I applied it, but it's fine because actually it's not okay. I don't know, it looks weird. And now we're just gonna go onto my hair. I'm just gonna fix it and then yeah. So guys, getting on to the second part of this video. My hair was installed by Hair by Brandy UK. She did an amazing job with the colouring. Yes, she did everything. She coloured the hair and she literally got it spot on. You show the wig, girl. So this is the wig, guys. Guys, I can't wait to put this on. Yes, sir. The picture I sent her is what I received on my head and what you guys are seeing. She also customized this teapot wig, even though this is the first time I'm actually working with a teapot wig. I didn't know how difficult it is because I was hearing that the knots on the teapot lace but she did an amazing job making it seem very seamlessly. She plucked it well. And I just love the results. She's literally amazing. If you guys want to get your hair coloured, because she's really good at her colouring skills. Her colouring skills are sick. I don't even care, like, the fuck. Hit her up on Instagram. Everything will be down below in the description box below. If you want to go on my Instagram, you can go and check there. You can check her Instagram too. She's amazing. Honestly, she's based in Dartford / West London. I think it's West London. Yes, yeah. She did an amazing job. Like, the girl is so funny, made me feel so comfortable, and I was just so amazed by the hair. Like she did a lit job, guys. Like, are you dumb? Like, I haven't had colored hair like this before, especially ombre to different colors, and I'm going to start doing more colorful wigs. So I just think they're like really fun to just spice up your life, you know, switch your wig in there, yeah. And yeah. But the hair is very nice. The density, I think, is 150. This is 26 inches. It's very long, which I love. And you guys can tell, like, literally when I was putting this wig on, I was gassed. I was like, oh my god. I love the front of the wig where she done like the roots. I've loved that a lot. The hair's so soft, and even she said the hair is really good. And yeah, like, it laid good. And obviously after I finished this appointment, I straightened this hair, I've curled it. The color hasn't changed one bit. It's been raining, the color hasn't come off. Like, it is just, I don't know what type of hair that she uses, but it's good. It's 30. Like, I love this hair. These are my nails. Look how pretty these are. So these were done by PsbeautyHub. She is a London-based nail tech. She did these styles for me. Basically, I wanted something that was really different. You guys know that I haven't gotten my nails done since before my birthday, right? And you've seen in my videos where I've had my nails done. And with me, I'm the type of person where I like different looks and all of that stuff when it comes to my nails. And basically, we were both inspired by the abstract vibe that is going on in the nail community. And so I'm gonna show you a picture of what I wanted, and then we came to this conclusion, a very long conclusion, that we wanted like a cow print abstract look. So we came up with this, and I just thought this is just really different. I know certain girls want to get this look, but you can just tell how Palumi, she is very like talented when it comes to being creative, trying different looks. You know, she's looking for clients or people that want to try out different styles of like nails, design. So if you are looking for someone that is very like on the verge of like unique but crazy looks, then hit up my girl Palumi. Gonna put her DLs in the description bar below. Done. I didn't get time to film the process when I was getting my nails done, only because I was running late, but I did a TikTok, so I'll put this TikToks on the screen so you guys can see. But yeah, this is what it looks like, these nails. And look at this, the smile lines, guys. Like, it's the smile lines for me. So guys, if you're looking for someone this February, book PsbeautyHub. She's lit. Like, I'm gonna put all her work around the screen so you can see what you guys are get yourself into, because she's lit. So yeah, I just can't get over this. It's just so different and I love it. Yeah. So guys, my makeup's done. Let me turn this off. So I just done my makeup. Obviously, lashes, I'm not really feeling them that much, but it's the only lashes that I have right now. And this is what my makeup looks like really. And my hair. So my hair, curled it, brushed it out. You name it. Now I'm just gonna get ready to go to my friend's house. Bye guys.